Hello and welcome to Dean's Yard. This is a quick video to show you what I've done with my rig just to improve it a bit. I got the yoke which used to be on my tripod, and I've just put it on a piece of wood just there. Let's go around the other side so you can see it. Look at that. It just keeps the gun stable. And if I need to raise it a bit, I'll just put another bit of wood under there. If I find that this is good for target shooting in a straight line, then what I might do is actually screw it to the table. It's very sunny today, very nice. And then as you can see on this side, I've got my deluxe pellet holder with the upgraded carpet. And then here is where I can put my phone and do the 2-camera shooting. Yep. This is what it looks like from the side, and this is what it looks like from the front. I've stabilised the legs a bit more. They're slightly at an angle, and now this is really stable. So there you go. Just give you a quick look at my rig. Hopefully this will be more stable when I'm shooting and testing pellets. So what I've done, I've put the yoke on a piece of wood, and that plastic white bit is take up the slack of the screw, and I've just put 4 rubber pads so it keeps it nice and stable. How about that, eh? Yep. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care, goodbye.